Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. It can be frustrating when money you send from Maya or PayMaya doesn't arrive in the recipient's GCash account. While these transfers are generally real-time via InstaPay, delays or failures can occur. Here is a comprehensive guide on common causes, immediate solutions, and the refund process if your PayMaya to GCash transfer didn't go through. First of all, let's understand the transfer process. Transfers between Maya and GCash are typically processed instantly through InstaPay, a real-time electronic fund transfer service in the Philippines. This means that under normal circumstances, the money should reflect in the recipient's GCash wallet within seconds. These are some common causes for failed or delayed transfers. First of all, it could be because of incorrect recipient details. It could be because of unverified GCash account, exceeded wallet limits, that is sender or receiver. Both Maya and GCash have daily and monthly transaction limits, e.g. maximum cash in or send money or wallet balance. It could be that is the reason. Another reason could be because of system glitches and maintenance. It could be also because of network or internet issues, outdated app versions. Using an outdated version of either the Maya or GCash app can sometimes lead to transaction issues due to compatibility problems or unpatched bugs. So these are the solutions to them then. We will start by first updating the apps, which we said could be causing the issue. So go to Play Store or App Store, look for both apps in here. Now make sure that they are all updated. If not, just click on update on each of them. Again, if your PayMaya to GCash transfer didn't reflect, let's check both transaction histories immediately. For Maya app, go to your transaction history in the Maya app, check the status of the transfer. Does it say successful? Is it failed? Is it pending or something else? So for GCash app, ask the recipient to check their GCash app's transaction history and in-app inbox. Sometimes there might be a slight delay in the reflection even if the transaction is successful on your side. So verify the recipient details again and again. Check on that. Confirm with the recipient the exact GCash mobile number if they provided. A tiny mistake can lead to funds being sent to the wrong person. Also check for SMS notifications. Both Maya and GCash send SMS notifications for successful or failed transactions. So check if you, as the sender or the recipient, received any messages regarding the transfer status. Check also service and advisory. Visit the official Facebook pages or websites of Maya and GCash or check their in-app advisories. So they often post any announcements about system downtimes or maintenance that might affect the transaction. Now let's see how to refund if at all we send to the wrong person. If the money is still not received after a reasonable waiting period and is debited from your Maya account, then we might suspect that it has gone to any different person. So gather all transaction details, just check the date and time of the transfer, amount transferred, your Maya transaction ID or reference number, the exact recipient's GCash mobile number, and even screenshots of them. So now let's start by contacting Maya customer support. To do that, we will do it via Maya. Log into the account with the issue. Go ahead and click on Help Center icon. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Chat with us. So explain your issue clearly, providing all the gathered transaction details. You can ask to be connected to a live agent. So talk to the agent through the live chat. Also, you can contact Maya via email. If you encounter difficulties, you might email support@maya.ph. So Maya will investigate the transaction. If the money was successfully sent to a valid GCash account, they might advise you to contact GCash. If the transaction genuinely failed on Maya's end, they should process a refund. Refunds or failed transactions usually take 2 to 3 business days to be credited back to your Maya wallet. If it's on GCash end, just connect them and they should be able to help you as well. Now, what if money was sent to the wrong GCash account? This is the trickiest scenario, but this is the solution. Immediately contact Maya support, inform them that the money was sent to an incorrect GCash number, provide the correct and incorrect details. Now contact GCash support, provide all transaction details and explain the error. Also for recipients cooperation, if you know the unintended recipient, politely ask them to return the money. Many people will cooperate to avoid illegal or to avoid any legal complications. Also, the last resort or the legal action if the unintended recipient refuses to return their funds, or if the amount is really many or is really substantial. You might consider filing a police report or consulting with a lawyer about civil action. This is a key takeaway. Always double check the recipient's mobile number before confirming any transaction. In most cases of failed or delayed transfers between Maya and GCash, waiting a bit, checking transaction histories, and then contacting Maya support with all details are the most effective first steps. And yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.